HDB installs many sensors that monitor the day-to-day performance of estate services, such as lifts, corridor lighting, and pneumatic waste conveyance system. All these sensors are connected to the Smart Hub, a central brain that oversees the health of our estates and allows HDB engineers to analyze the wealth of data from our towns to better meet residents' needs. Through analytics, we can gather insights to track sustainability goals, improve the design of systems, and understand how residents use common amenities. For example, by monitoring the energy consumption of entire estates, irregular energy patterns can be identified early and resolved. For important services such as lifts and pneumatic waste conveyance system, tracking can enable us to better predict when maintenance and replacement cycles are due. The smart lighting system in North Shore helps to save energy. At the same time, motion sensor data also tells us where the heavy footfall areas are, so that we can identify common spaces that are important to residents and better design such spaces in future estates. These insights can potentially help town councils to enhance their estate management by identifying potential issues and preempting faults before they occur. With a smart estate powered by data, Pongol North Shore residents can now enjoy a better living environment with more reliable estate services. A smart HDB town is a town that cares for you.